LawBillity now offers a new calendar feature for all LawBillity users. The calendar can be found under the Home tab, Calendar subtab, and it allows users to create and view calendar events for themselves or their firm and turn those calendar events into time entries. The calendar can be viewed between yourselves or through a company calendar, and the calendar can be seen in a day view, a week view, a month view, and an agenda view. To create events, you can either select the New Event button on the top right hand of the screen, or alternatively, you can just select the time of day that you'd like to create an event for. So Monday at, let's say, 2 p.m., we'll create a new event. You can tie those events to clients and matters. Enter a location. Start and stop time already came in. You can also select an event color, and these event colors can be customized to whatever you would like those event colors to be tied to. So for example, you want all court time to be purple, you can go ahead and do that. You can mark this as an all-day event or a repeat event where you can create repeat patterns. So if you want this event to be daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, we have advanced settings that can handle any repeat pattern that you need. You can also set up alerts and notify via web notification or email of the event, and add descriptions as well. Let's go ahead and save that event. And if we click into the event, you can see here we can now create a time entry for this event. So when the event is ready for a time entry, you can bring it up here, and you can see the user client matter all already came in from the event itself. You can add an activity. The time already came in, and you can go ahead and save that event as a time entry. You can also integrate with Outlook, a two-way sync where you can bring in and send out calendar events either way between your LawBillity calendar and your Outlook calendar. We also have a Google Calendar integration coming very soon along the way, so keep your eyes out for that integration as well. But for now, I'm using the Outlook integration where I can go ahead and add events from my Outlook calendar. So you can see an event like new meeting here, we can add to the time tracker calendar. And alternatively, we can send events from the LawBillity account into the Outlook calendar. So for example, we want to send the flight over, we can go do that and send it over to the Outlook calendar. Very simple. You can see here the new meeting was brought in from Outlook. And we can even create a time entry off of that Outlook event that was brought into Time Tracker. We'll give it a client and matter, an activity, and we'll go ahead and save that. And just like that, we have new entries that came in from the Ability calendar and even from an Outlook calendar. So really useful new feature available for all LawBillity users. So go ahead and get started and enjoy the new feature.